nobody. I'll do what I want.
Hello.
My dog. No, my dog. You do what you want over here. You do what you want there on the boundary.
Bhavish.
You don't come over here.
Bhavish.
Give me my house, my kitchen. Chalo. Get me a hammer. I want to break the door down. My door. Break it down. You cannot push me down. Recording all this, huh?
So why this concerned authority came here?
Huh?
For what reason they came here?
God knows. They have not sent me any notice. They are saying they are bringing the old case, which was some other issue, which was already completed and compliance report given. Huh? We have applied to them again for temporary structure. Panchayat, everybody, they are still bringing that old case up and sending us in chakkar.
Okay. The Sonali Fogart case.
No, so because of Sonali Fogart case, something happened over here. I was not involved in that.
Okay.
That time also they never sent me notice. They think this property belongs to somebody else.
The property belongs to somebody else.
Belongs to me now.
Is the property
From 1999 it belongs to me.
Okay.
Huh?
You are the owner of the property.
I am the
now.
owner of 4211.
Now
This
what?
is a temporary structure done with all permissions. Under section 35 of the new town planning act, notification was said temporary structure has been defined. Okay? So another pakka structure. So we are operating as a temporary structure. From 99 I have been operating a shack. Only in between I was sick, I was not here. My neighbors did something. They paid the price for that case was over.
Okay. So why they came now?
They don't know what they are doing, and we talk to them, they are saying not giving anything.
So you are not getting the correct answer from them.
No, they are not giving me anything, not even in writing. I am saying, okay, give me a notice, I will come and reply to you. 15 days
So
Supreme
notice-
Court orders
they
there.
didn't serve you the notice.
Nothing. Even last time they came, I already informed the court, natural justice. Huh? They are not, because you must at least tell me, no, you are coming to do something. I am doing something wrong. Can I correct it or what should I do? Or pay the penalty or whatever. Without anything.
So the structure is coming into tourism department or CRZ now?
This is as per old regional plan 2001, which was notified in 1985, December. This area has already been cleared for settlement.
For the settlement.
They have not made an ODP. They have not planned it out. Huh? And they are saying 200. This is not land influenced by tidal action.
So you are owner, no?
The first part has been demolished the last time, no?
It was a part that he did not do a survey and he extended onto my property.
Achha.
That time they took proper procedure. Neither did the department, they did not inform me. You're damaging my property. Huh? You put your seal, no? If you think I won't respect your seal, then that's your problem. Put your paper seal across. No, you don't damage the property, okay? Hello? You don't put a lock on my property, I will come the lock. If it's already under settlement, means it comes under the panchayat. Okay? Under section 64 or 63 of the LRC, it comes under panchayat. The collector already sanctioned the area for planning and development. They have not done their job. I have gone to court, High Court, I have intervened in the 2006 Suo Moto 2 of 2006. I have intervened in Suo Moto 2 of 22. Huh? One was a PIL and one was a writ.
Still no.
No.
No action has been taken.
No action has been taken. 196 structures were to be demolished. Why they didn't demolish that? Then again they take the same case. Now Sonap today has just been transferred. No, he took the case as Suo Moto to Jharkhand. No, I intervened in Adarsh case in Bombay. I intervened. River Princess case. I intervened in. I have to keep saying this. I have to write also, educate you all, and you all come to take out more information out of me by pressing my bloody. It will be the first de-seal. No, we shall de-seal it. So police are not for the people, so we need the mafia. Like Bombay, full force. But this time not like our father. No, you cannot put a lock on my door. I have to sleep over here. Okay? Hello? I have to sleep over here. You cannot put. I have to sleep over here.
तुम्ही मास्टर आवाज
Why? You please.
सर मास्टर आवाज साहेब मास्टर आवाज तुमची टीमी वांगडा रावत
फुल टीम एवढा फोटो घेऊया राव ना सर
मास्टर बोल
Better I don't come in that picture because they'll say I knew about this. I don't know about this. You're giving me no notice. I'm going to break it.
सर सर
Hey, you record it?
ना पण किती डिपार्टमेंट खयचे डिपार्टमेंट येयले कलेक्टर मामलेदार
कलेक्टर नो
CRZ.
मामलेदार
मामलेदार
इन्फॉर्मेशन किती मिळाली की नाही
याचे इन्फॉर्मेशन ॲक्च्युली ओनर हे प्रॉपर्टीचो डेव्हिड त्याच्या नावावर नोटीसूच ना डायरेक्ट येयल्यात आनी मोड हें केला सील केला
सील
And
करता
before more payla, more.
पूण सर कितें सांगलें सील करपाक कित्याक म्हणून येयल्या
आतां हांव कितें कितें म्हाका
इलिगल हा
Well, it doesn't look illegal. A temporary structure doesn't look illegal. We have got already panchayat NOC. We have got excise license. How can it be illegal? It's a temporary structure. There's a difference between permanent structure and temporary structure. There's a difference between in a planned area and FSI allotted and an unplanned area. Okay?
The CRZ permission झाले
CRZ, we have applied to CRZ. They have not replied to us. From not now, from years.
अच्छा what about the tourism department
Tourism department, no. It's a
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर